But Tom, you need to get in the bag.
Yeah.
I need to get you super tall.
You need to get in the bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Destiny. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So today we're making vegan sugar cookies, plus with some sprinkles, some chocolate chip, whatever we might feel. So the ingredients that we have here: some oat milk, baking soda, rainbow sprinkles, holiday sprinkles, some vanilla extract, some vegan chocolate chips, another holiday sprinkle, some vegan butter. Did I say sugar already? Okay, and then flaxseed. And I tried to find a recipe, but they were just giving me a whole bunch of different directions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this my own way, and we just gonna see how this gonna go. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so first thing what I'm gonna do is take some of my plant-based butter. I saw a recipe where it says for a cup. I don't know how to measure out a cup with this, so I'm gonna take this 1 tablespoon that I have here, and we're just gonna scoop it out. So that's okay.
Why it's not coming out soon?
About 2.
Why you always got bark with these filming some Bob?
I'm taking a lot of scoops here with this tablespoon, kind of scooping it like ice cream, because I want my cookies to be creamy, buttery, and soft, but vegan style.
You remember the last time we made cookies? It was a fail.
Yeah,
it was a fail.
We hope this one goes right this time.
No, it was.
Alright, so it's about that much in there. I hope that's enough. So no, I'm just eyeballing stuff, okay? Next, I'm gonna take my flaxseed meal, and I'm gonna just sprinkle.
That looks like a bag.
Maybe about 2 of those. I don't know if that's too much. If it is, oh well. About 2 of those. Now, of course, with vegan sugar cookie, you need sugar. So we're gonna take some white sugar, and this is a 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna take probably like 5 of these. I'm lying, maybe 6. Or actually took 7. We're gonna take a little bit of some baking soda, not a lot, just a little. Just a little sprinkle right though. We're gonna take our oat milk.
It may look like it.
And we're gonna drizzle it like that.
Oh, those look like
Take the vanilla,
just the vanilla cookies.
make it rain.
Because we did chocolate cookies.
So I'm gonna mix these up and come back to y'all. Alright y'all, so my batter is done. Let me just tell you the trial and error I went through to make this batter. So first, no flour at all, so I had to use cake flour. Was too creamy. It's still kind of too creamy, but it's so much better than how I started off with. Let me tell you, it tastes good, okay? And the best part is that I can eat the dough because there's no eggs in it. So, look at that, y'all. It's just so thick and so yummy. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make them funfetti, and then when we put them on our wax paper and the the pan, then we can put the desired.
Yeah, and we can decorate the own cookie.
I should put the sprinkles in and let it fold in there.
So we could crunch the sprinkles up, so we could decorate it like she already said. I'm so excited. I want to do pink cookies because it's her favorite. And that you did, that tasted that.
Put it in the sink. Alright, so I added the sprinkles. What I'm gonna do is put them on the wax paper, as many as I possibly can. Alright, so right here is the cookie. Woo! I'm gonna place more on a different sheet. We're gonna pop these in the oven. Hope for the best. I don't know with these things. They look kind of funky. Alright, y'all, so after putting the cookies in for about 20 minutes on 380, they are finally done. And I kind of left them here to cool off. They look like big old
Pancakes.
And then the other pan that I did,
Was a fail.
it would be a nice bottom of a cake layer or ice cream sandwich, which I might do, but who knows. We're going to go to taste test. Kaden, which one did you already touch? Alright, let's try it. Number one.
You just like pancakes. But this time we actually
Number
did
one,
that.
what?
They're too hard. I don't like hard cookies.
You should have set them in there a little bit. Little bit, not that long. I hate
Yeah.
I don't like hard
They
cookies.
taste good, but I don't like hard cookies.
Yeah. Should have
It
been
breaks your teeth.
Well, this is the end of the video. See you guys next time. Bye.